I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nonogram 15x15. Nonograms are captivating picture logic puzzles where your objective is to uncover a hidden image within a grid. The numbers provided along the sides serve as clues, indicating consecutive blocks of filled cells. A standard 15x15 grid, for example, presents 225 cells for you to deduce and fill, offering a satisfying challenge. Understanding the clues is fundamental to solving nonograms. The numbers positioned outside each row and column are your guides. Each number signifies a continuous block of filled cells. For instance, if you see 3-5, it means there's a block of 3 filled cells, followed by at least 1 empty cell, and then a block of 5 filled cells. These clues are crucial for mapping out your solution. To start solving, focus on rows or columns with clues that nearly fill the entire line. You can often identify 4 cells that must be filled, no matter how the blocks are arranged. It's also helpful to mark cells that you know must be empty with an X. This systematic approach, especially looking for overlaps when placing blocks from both ends, will help you make initial progress. For more complex puzzles, advanced strategies become essential. Try forcing, where you temporarily assume a cell state to see if it creates a contradiction elsewhere. Always consider all possible arrangements for a given row or column, and then eliminate those that don't align with other clues. The puzzle is successfully completed once every single cell in the grid is accurately marked as either filled or empty, revealing the hidden image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.